Hi, I'm Dr. Lori, and welcome to your midday mindfulness meditation. Whether you're looking for a mental reset or you just wanted to take a few moments to refocus, relax, rest, and reconnect with yourself, this is the video for you. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. Rest your hands, get as comfortable as you can, and breathe. And you can close your eyes if you want to, or you can just gently relax your gaze. You ready? This is your time. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, exhale slowly and fully. Try to let go of any tension. Allow your breath to return to a gentle, natural rhythm. There's nothing to force, nothing to fix. Just breathe. As you breathe, start to let go of the morning behind you. Let go of whatever came before this moment. With each breath, feel yourself arriving here, fully present. Feel the ground beneath you supporting your entire body. Feel yourself anchored, steady and safe. Now, repeat after me. You can do this quietly in your mind, or you can say it out loud. I am calm. I am centered. I am grounded. I give myself permission to pause. In stillness, I recharge. In breath, I reset. Now, bring your attention gently to your body. Notice any areas of tightness or warmth or energy. No judgment, just awareness. Starting from the top of your head, relax your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, release any tension in your neck and shoulders. Let your arms grow heavy, your hands soft. Feel your breath in your chest and in your belly. Let your breath be easy and free. Continue the scan down your back. Through your hips. Down your legs. Into your feet and toes. You are here, whole and enough. Now take a moment and repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am focused and capable. I trust myself to handle what comes next. I am allowed to rest. And I am stronger for it. My energy is returning with every breath. I carry peace within me no matter what's around me. Let go of the mental noise. Let go of the inner pressure. Let go of anything that does not serve you. Return to your center. You are not behind. You are not too much. You are doing just fine. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Breathe in clarity. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in energy. Breathe out overwhelm. You are exactly where you need to be. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. You can wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, roll your shoulders gently. If your eyes are closed, begin to blink them open. And carry this calm with you the rest of your day. And remember, I am grounded. I am growing. And I've got this. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. Thank you for being kind to yourself. And I want you to take this power with you. And if you enjoyed this meditation, leave me a comment down below and be sure to visit my channel for more mindfulness meditations as well as other mental health tips. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.